Hi guys, welcome to All Things Fancy. I'm Jessica Dominguez. Today I'm going to do something a little different. I know normally we talk about self-improvement, law of attraction, and how to keep your vibration high on this channel. But today we're going to do an unboxing. So lately I've decided to treat myself a little bit better because I've been working so hard, and I've decided to buy some stuff for myself because I deserve it. It's important to also treat yourself well, ladies and gentlemen, and if you work hard, it's important to work hard but play a little hard too, and to reward yourself. Don't go crazy, spend all your money that you can't pay your bills, but be responsible and buy yourself something nice. It makes you feel good. So here we go. I bought myself a St. Laurent pouch, a clutch, and I got it at a great deal. For those of you that don't know, I also sell things online on different sites. My Instagram name is called Fresh and Fancy Things, and my other personal Instagram account is The Real Fancy Pants. So if you have any questions on consigning luxury items or you need an item found, let me know. Or if you'd like to buy anything, follow me, and then I have great deals all the time on new and pre-loved items that hopefully will make it into your closet and your new accessories at home, so let me know. So anyway, back to this. I got a St. Laurent clutch. I needed one. It called my name. The best was it was under $400, so it was a deal. It's brand new in the box, ladies and gentlemen. I did open it because I did want to take a peek, sorry. But my next haul, I promise I'll open from scratch. So here goes. So here's the stuff it came in with the authenticity, the card. It did have this little plastic envelope, but I couldn't get it back in to show you guys. And my dog is gonna start barking. So disregard her barking. This is a St. Laurent clutch. Sorry guys, this is just how it works around here. So this is a St. Laurent clutch. It comes in this bag. It smells like pure leather in here. You're gonna love it. It comes in here. It has not been used. This is my clutch. So if you look, the design is like a chevron print on the leather, and it has a gold buckle that says YSL. If you turn it over, it's black, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. And then inside, it says St. Laurent, and it has the tag. So the tag says, in case you can't read it, I'll read it to you. Wait before you move this tag. Make sure you love it. This item cannot be accepted for return without this tag attached. No final sale items will be accepted for return. Thank you for shopping. Well, darling, this bag is staying with me forever. I absolutely love and adore it. I can't wait to wear it out. I'm going to lunch with my mom today, and it's making its rounds. It is gorgeous just to hold, and the good thing is it's not like my suitcase that I normally lug around on my shoulders. I'm trying to simplify my life and not have that stress on my neck and shoulders, and I have a bad headache today, so this is where it's gonna go. My purse, my keys, that's all I need. It's my purse for the day. So my keys fit in here, my cell phone, my wallet, perfect. So this is it guys, the St. Laurent pouch I just purchased. It's beautiful, I absolutely love it. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Again, I'm gonna have more videos like this, tell me what you think. This is a great accessory, it's chic and frugal. If you wanna purchase this, it cost me under $400. I did get it online. It's a great staple for your closet and for you to have. You can use it day to night. You can use it also as a makeup bag, a clutch, whatever you want to do. It's great. It's little. Actually, it's not that little. It's actually a really good size because I don't really like little things. I kind of exaggerate things, but this is actually perfect. I hope you guys like this. This is a great price. Just remember, under $400. I think you can find some